A fan told me that his car would make abnormal noises when he stepped on the brakes, and it would sound as soon as he stepped on the brakes. He went to the auto repair shop to check the price, and the price was high. I came over today to see if I could fix it for free. This is the tool I bring. Let's go. It should be him. Give me the key. I'll try it first. There is indeed an abnormal sound, which is coming from the rear wheel. The sound is very harsh, but it is very easy to fix it. Let's get out of the car and remove the tire for him to see what's going on. It's safer to put it under the car.